one is called The Patchouli Dentist. Were coming high, one side through the floor. Bruce stopped them and bonded to the crew. But boats were made of wood, and men were made of steel. They've come and taken its alley to speak at the Freemasons' meal. So the local handshackers, they seen them to see are the sights and the soons. Oh, the help of all the land meets the sea. Betty leaned over far and whoosh went his false teeth. He cried, "Is there a dentist and patchouli?" The question is on my lips. I need a new set of nostrils if this speech I am to give. So great-grandpa Bond, or Willie Taggy as he was kin, seen this Stramash and said, "You'll need a horse and care to be sent." So they shouted, the milkman raced to the tune as the care wheels were rattling so hard on rail tacked Maloo. Up to Peter and chopped the door, Vic and D4. Met us some teeth for this dignitary, for his 80s are new in the sea. Opened a drawer and said just findings that fit in. So he tried on a few until he found the Maras. Oh, his head. He cried, "There was no dentist and patchouli, but there was Ian and Peter." We stopped our reaming and nostrils, firemen, your boots they bow. So there is back over the line, the horse Nancy, Gin and Lally, they're cutting real fine. Splinters and sparks in a cloud of dust as the wheels nearly took on fire. Jimmy the milkman was pushing it to the wire. Waiting Wednesday and Vane, they got there just in time. The speech went real, this arrayed on man's face. Gonna leave, he got a bear pipe from my dentistry. So he's been well in Taggy, for the dentist I knew. I need to give him some bobbies. Taggy says, "There is no dentist and patchouli. There is no dentist and Petal. Where's the dentist that gave you a hand?" That was my Undertaker pal.
Willie Doggy, yeah.